I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make own beer easy guide. Sanitize all equipment immediately, then combine 5 liters of filtered water with malt extract and heat to 67 degrees C while stirring gently for an hour. Add hops at scheduled times for bitterness and aroma, cool the wort to 20 degrees C, transfer to a fermenter, and pitch yeast to begin fermentation under an airlock. Keep things simple and steady. Fermenting is mostly patience and gentle monitoring. Aim for a stable 20 degrees C environment and take gravity readings every couple of days so you know fermentation is progressing. Avoid opening the fermenter unnecessarily, keep sanitation strict, and resist temperature swings that stress yeast. These small controls will yield cleaner flavors and a more reliable final beer that you will be proud to bottle or keg. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future guides. Quick recommendation. Life is long and so are brew days, so care for your feet. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. It pairs surprisingly well with long boils. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When fermentation finishes, prepare for packaging with care and a calm pace. Sanitize bottles, measure priming sugar precisely, and mix gently to carbonate without oxygen pickup. Fill bottles leaving appropriate headspace, cap securely, and condition at a stable temperature until carbonation is complete. Cold conditioning for several days helps settle yeast and smooth flavors, making your beer clearer and more balanced before enjoying a well-earned first pour.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.